How to get phone number from Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering and trying to find someone's phone number from this Instagram, in this video we are going to find out if we can do that or not. So for that, you can usually head over to an account. You can head over to the account that you wanna, view phone number to. When we usually head over to their profile, we don't usually find message following. We don't usually find the phone number associated in their account. So the only way to find the phone number of someone from Instagram is heading over to an Instagram account in which you should be finding a phone number. Usually if the user have added phone number into their profile, you should be finding the phone number. For example, we usually have phone numbers on restaurant. So if you want to find the phone number of a restaurant, you can head over to one of the restaurant and there you can directly look up for the bio, or on their account you should be finding an option that says contact. So usually if a user has added a contact in their Instagram account, you should be finding contact option on their profile. When you tap on it, you should be finding the phone number there. So you can use that phone number in order to find that user. So for now, only if the user have allowed us access with the phone number, we can find the phone number on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.